Got here, man. First time, right? You've ever been in a full-size race car at Kern County Raceway?
Yeah.
You excited or what? You're nervous, right? You've never used a clutch before, right?
Nah.
You're nervous? I haven't seen you this nervous in a while. Huh? Alright. I'll videotape you, right? So all your people, all your friends can see it. That'd be cool. Right?
Yeah.
Got it?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Go!
There you go. Got it? First try. Woo! Well, they almost got JB spray on there. Give it a couple. Little JB. Little JB.
No, no. Throw the yellow. Throw the yellow. Yeah, you gotta throw the yellow. All right, that scared me a little bit. That was last man. I was all like, oh my god, my heart just came out of my body.
Dad bought his check slip, no big deal.
man.
Hey, you got a couple dirt tires to put on there for you. Come on. Hey, it's just money. We're gonna make a little more
Yeah,
tomorrow.
scared Dad a little bit. Yeah. That scared me.
Kept going.
She said she never had a clutch.
Oh man, that scared me a little bit. Yeah.
She saved that car though.
That's, oh my god! I'm gonna have a heart attack, everybody.
Yeah, right there's good.
She saved it.
Hey, you saved it. Now you got her driving on the dirt?
Yeah.
Oh, she got the car on the dirt?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, good. Yeah, I didn't. It's a little different than her, isn't it?
What'd you think, dude? Were you nervous on that corner?
Nah.
I was nervous. Everybody in the pits was nervous. You saved it, though.
She did save it. I was like, okay.
I think you got Johnny a little nervous here.
I was really nervous.
All right, that's cool.
She was driving in a Jeep. She didn't like lift. I was like, oh no.
You did good, man.
Dang.
You're driving it.
You gave Johnny a heart attack.
All right, it's coming. Go. Go. Get it.
That's cool.